What's up, guys? We are over in Cave City, Kentucky, and we are over here at Trove Park. Stick with me, guys. I've never been here. This is something that opened up, I believe, a year or so ago. So we're gonna go in here, check them out, see what all they got, and I'm bringing you guys along with us. Check this out, guys. If you can't pay, they still do. They will welcome you and your family. That's pretty interesting there, guys. Just glad they do that, you know, help people out. And very cool. They've also got a food drive over there as well, where you can bring canned goods. They actually have free water here too for people. Very cool. They've got almost like a mini zoo in here. Check out these turkeys. It's going to be real good around Thanksgiving. Chickens, just all different kinds of animals. There's ducks in here. Look at this little guy. Check out the little goat. Check this out. How you doing there? Just want some attention too? Unfortunately, I did lose some of the video footage that I'd recorded, and apparently I had a corruption on my camera. But basically this place is a park that has like a petting zoo area, as you can see. There's literally some of these animals walking out on the trails with you. And, you know, it's just a very neat place, I'll have to say. Again, it was the first time that I'd been there. They had these goats there. There was also like a museum area that you're going to see further along in the video, just different exhibits and stuff like that, and just a lot of neat stuff. Look there. Yep. This is a pretty neat park, guys. I'm glad they've done this. Check this out back behind me here. You've got the Statue of Liberty. Just another one of the many things that they've got here. Just all kinds of different things they've got sitting around, live animals. First time here, but definitely not going to be the last. So let's keep going. Okay, guys, now we're going to check out the dinosaur trail. Kind of see back behind me. One of the exhibits that they got. There's a whole lot more of them. Let's go check them out. Very cool animatronics. Very cool. Look at the big T-Rex. Very cool. Check these guys out. Check this guy out. Walk right up to him. We got one chained down here. You can see it. Animatronics. Very cool. It's amazing how big those things were. Triceratops. I think that's what it is. I'm not good on all the dinosaur types. Some of you guys let me know down in the comments. It's just neat to be able to see this stuff, the way they got it laid out. How you doing? How's it going? That's one of the neat things about this park. You can literally walk up to a lot of these animatronics and touch them. Great photo ops, and these animatronics, for the most part, at least the ones that we touched, they are basically covered in foam. So it's not necessarily like you're going to have to worry about hurting yourself or getting hurt. Cool. But it's basically just a foam covering that are over these. And this is just one side of what you see inside the park. You know, this is just a kind of like a nature trail that has these various animatronics and things like that setting around. And then stick around, we're going to be going to the museum side here shortly as well. Now, if you had a neck as long as that thing, and you said you had a neck pain, that's a lot of pain, because that's a very long neck. Wow. We've got a playground area over there for the kids too, a lot of inflatables. We're definitely going to be checking out the Bonnie and Clyde exhibit. Apparently they've also got a Popcorn Sutton exhibit as well. Alright guys, here we go into the Bonnie and Clyde Historical Perspective exhibit.
Within hours,
you got an introductory video here when you come in, places to sit. So let's go check it out.
A procession of more than
bunch of old photos here, Bonnie and Clyde. Just all through here. More pictures through there. Some of the artifacts here from the era. I don't know exactly the specifics, but you can kind of see what they've got laid out here. Some of the shell casings and just different jewelry boxes and things like that from that time period in American history. Here are some different books, videos, and things like that. Even a toy car that are about Bonnie and Clyde. You can see here, this apparently was the Ambush Museum in Louisiana. Just some other things, different books. Hats. What's the significance about these? I may believe that it might be some of the hats from some of the law enforcement agencies that were pursuing Bonnie and Clyde. You can kind of see the photo there, and these two hats here in front of us. There's some more photos, different things there. It looks like a from the funeral. Newspaper clippings from different ones that were arrested, and just a lot of the stories about it. They're a wanted poster. This is actually plugged in and still works. I'm not going to throw a coin in there, but you know, there again, it's just an old photo slideshow. I think it's pretty interesting that they got some of this stuff in here. More newspaper clippings. Clyde Barrow and Bonnie Parker right there.
After a second trial for murder, he was sent to the electric chair.
Here's some photos of the car that they were in. It was all shot up. And right now that car is still on exhibit somewhere. You guys can comment where that is down below. But that is pretty neat. You can see there. Oh, there's some, I think a couple of replicas out there. These are photos of the original. And then we got some more photos of the car. There's Bonnie in front of one of the cars that they had. In fact, I think they had a couple of cars over their crime spree, but you know, you can see the one that they were obviously in shot up. Some of the guns, photos of some of the guns and that they had. Classic 1911. Go over to my main channel. I got tons of videos on those guns. And then here we've got a lot of other things here. Watches. There's an old saxophone that you can see there. Not sure of the significance on that. If any of you guys know, let me know down below in the comments. Okay, hopefully YouTube won't gig me too bad on this, but apparently there's some death photos of them. Very interesting. There's a couple of guns from the era. And there as well. Some more death photos and things like that. Pretty neat exhibit in here. Just all the stuff they got around, all the photos. You can see there another large photo of the crime scene when they were actually captured or shot. Very neat. All kinds of artifacts in here, guys. We're gonna go up here and check out the Popcorn Sutton. You can see here the moonshine exhibit.
Come on. Yes.
All kinds of different photos, things like that. There he is. Here is some of the things that he actually owned, I believe. Shoes, wallet, a lantern. If you do go to the Popcorn Sutton exhibit, if you have small children with you, I do want to warn you that some of the videos that they're showing do have some language in them as well, just so you know. There's his banjo. You can see right there. For those of you guys that were fans of Orange County choppers, check this out. This is one of the bikes that they built. They've got it here in the museum. Check it out. Hatfields and McCoys. There's a little bit of a glare there, but you can see here some photos, some old photos of them. You can see here the Tuttles, some of the work they were doing. I believe what they're going to be doing in a future exhibit is actually having a different area for the Hatfields and McCoys. I'm not real sure about that. They had that all grouped together in with the Popcorn Sutton area, as well as the Orange County Choppers bike. But you know, there's just a lot of photos hanging on the wall that were from, you know, there again, Popcorn Sutton, as you can see here. It also had some of the Tuttles and various ones. I don't really understand why they had it just in one location, but again, they're still working on part of this park. Alright guys, that is Treasure Trove Park. Just a few of the things that they've got here. Very interesting, guys. There's a whole new section that they're supposed to be opening up at some point. They haven't opened it yet, but hope you liked the video, guys. Be sure to check out the rest of the videos on my channel. We're actually visiting a few places here in Cave City today, and I'm making videos on them for you guys. If you're ever in this area, you might want to check some of these places out. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on my channel, and we'll see you next time.